In Fayette County Public Schools, our mission is, and always will be, preparing students to become productive and successful students. And during times of uncertainty, our commitment to you is that our mission and our people will remain at the forefront of how we navigate uncharted territory. We will remain united and not allow the current circumstances to hinder our progress of educating children and cultivating tomorrow's leaders. Today's challenges are real, but we are optimistic that the opportunities to change lives in the face of adversity are greater. The Fayette County Public Schools family is strong. The strength of our students, teachers, and staff is incredible, and our guiding principles of family, optimism, courage, unity, and service will always serve as our roadmap to the future. A future filled with brighter days, featuring happy and healthy children poised for greatness. Fayette County Public Schools, choose us.